This is Ground Media UG.
Sister, my friend, my matron. I'm your matron. He's a matron. Thank you for taking the initiative of hosting Rozangana Kosa Provo and Akosa Uganda. Okubeera nga wakkiriza. Sandra, I really appreciate you. I am so emotional. I'm sorry if I get emotional. I stand up? No. Okay. And I'm really not a good talker, as you know. See my
She could be a gentleman. She could be a gentleman.
Right? Pia. Buli muntu kyayogedde kintutteko ku mutima. Sijja kiddamu olw'obudde. But I really appreciate your kind words. And thank you kubanga teweerabira that time. And I genuinely loved you, regardless of everything that ebyamawulire, you know, they were trying to drag us, but we have never been enemies, guys. Never, we have never fought. And I'm so proud of how far you have come. You know, I love you so much. You are one of the people abajanga mu inbox yange on Snap go nsaba concert. And nga sinaba nakusalawo actually. I really appreciate that you believed in me. I think timing ya Katonda ebiranga tuufu. That's what I believe. It's never too late. And these guys are so special to me. Very special, yes. So, Fefe, twasoma ne Fefe. Nze muyita mukiza, wampise n'abantu kanange nkuyita mukiza. Tetwayita n'amannya ga Fefe, twayita gachika. So Fefe used to be very little in school. Yali mutini. Ngali a class below me. Nali nga mu senior 3 ngajja mu 2. Ali mu 2 nenge na mu 4 like that. Twali mu O level. Ku Cityland College in Matugga. Naye lamba bulira omuntu ng'agenda kuba star, omulabirawo. Fa abali basinga oyimba ku ssomero. Fefe nga yakutte akazitayo n'akuba rap. Mu Interact Club, mu biki, era nga yasookayo. And we were very close. Very, very close. Omulala nti yali class below me. Oyo alina confidence. Nga bakwano be Fefe ka bali higher. Tomusanga n'abaform belows oyo. Mugezi. And I'm very proud of you, Fefe. I'm very proud of you. I knew one day we'd make it, and today we made it. Look at how far we have come. Mukama mulungi. It was just a dream. Nze nalinga storage ebanyumizo no yabiraba bwe mba mulowooza tuba tulimba twalinga group nga ne twayita 3 blue. Mama kinjaganya ba blue 3. Beba inspiring anga mweyo kwegamba mweyo style ebiseera ebyo. We ngamba abantu twali mu senior 2 nga ba star. So we used to sing. I used to be Lilian Babas. Ona amanyi omulala omuwala yali kikino omulala. So bano be bali bajje Nelzamba baani nga wetukola bino nga Fefe yajja n'akola bwati. You know, it's beautiful and we have the pictures. Maybe on my concert they'll share some pictures. It'll be beautiful. Mubalamu. And I'm proud of you. It won't take long. Carol, first of all, thank you so much. People don't know Intino wampa omukisa okubeera godmother wa King. Era oba tulina okumubatiza again nga mukutte nga godmother. And Carol has a very beautiful baby boy. And I'm proud that you took that decision. Si changu. Like Mommy said, look at us. I wish I gave birth like 8 years ago, ngandinga 23 or 22. Okula n'omwana was beautiful. So, and as I was in kati, and you know I love, God knows, when I'm I love kids. So I'm kwegomba Carol, and may God protect your baby boy. And I'm so proud of you. Kulika concert, weba likuvanga all the Korea fino jirao. Ati the Carol concert yesali wona li Fort Poto. Bali babukinga dasho nga so anagisazamu. But the fact that you came, means a lot. But anyway, you never always supported you and loved you, and I'll never stop. The fact that muri bakyala nga muri wano pia, I'm even speechless. Kuba naise banji, but you guys made it. So now I'm really seeing who my friends are, and I really appreciate you guys so much. N'abataze bambi waliwo abataze nga tebusinti tebaagala shitaliiwo shibataliiwo nina yafunye accident emotoka ye teri bulungi banji bambi they would all be here. So I love you guys so much. Mami senga nsobola ofukamira waneeni senga nfukamira nga njogera ku mami mama wange waatali wano kati gwe kiti yegwe mami kati ate era you've always been kubanga nze mami bwe twogera kusimwa ngamba mwala wange teera biragamba ndabira omukadde nakanwa omugabi munnange, you know. I love that you love my mami tata nabana mu meeting bayogera ko ndoza kusimwa something, but era plan yange ya 60 wajukira we yaweze emyaka 6 nali njagala kuleeta kubanga guess what gwe gwasinga okwa era agamba mugabi munnange Irene tubeera ku party Christmas biki we batakuba vayons ne vayon mama wange tanyumira okitegera ate amaganda agakuba. So mami webale kubeeranga, you don't judge me, you've never judged me. Mami's okumanya era obukulu ndowooza. Mami doesn't judge someone because beyond your dress code, beyond whatever of how the generation kati bwetutwala kubanga we are in the music industry and this is art, and mami knows. Mami atunulira nnyo omutima gw'omuntu. I've come to realize that mami bana abakyala bonna I'm sure buli muyimbi omuto mami onogola you find her interacting with them. Ne ku social media era mami zicomment oziraba ku baana abato abaliwo bonna webale kubeera mami figure webale nnyo kutu advising. If I ever get married, which is a dream, and I love to get married and I love kids, I love love, I'm a singer of love, I'm the queen of love, so I love love. Mami yeka nga wenda ba comments baziteka ku social media relationship advices have mami ono yeka ndowooza gowe kali super qualified to give any one of us abayimbi. Mami obufumbo bwobadde muze ngwewuunya emyaka gyonna nzijjukira akayimba ke nali njagala edda nga nsoma akokewa naye abasajja. I know since I was really young. Mami kikulaga nti n'ebizibu byabaddemu na buli kimu mami has kept on tava mu bufumbo. This is a big inspiration. You don't know olaga abantu abamanyi nti abayimbi tebafumbirwa nti kisoboka era kisoboka amwetegedde ng'ofunye soulmate wo kisoboka. Mukama akuwangaze papa mwagala nnyo. I'll be so honored to see him on the show with you and the family. Petrina, everybody baagala nnyo. Mukama abawangaza kugera emyaka kubanga oli okyali mbooko tolina gy'olaga kwagala nnyo. If I talk I'll take more forever, so I'm trying to okukendeeza Chico ne Madrat njabagatta. I was a fan of you guys since you guys muchimanyi. The first day I saw you guys on stage nafukirawo fan ate era netwesanga netwemanya netufuuka bamikwano. Mwebale nnyo kubeera bakwano bange nabakubira akasimu teba mubalaba webali. That shows a lot. I am eternally proud of you. You are, if I think you're even my favorites, you know. So comedians, mukama abawangaze era abagagga bafu. Mami Brenda, ye mbozi zaffe nazo mpanvu nga bwe yabanyonyodde sijja kuddamu Mami Brenda oyo. Essimu zino message omuntu anjagala ennyo. I didn't even know how it came. Naye oyo omukyala mwanjagala Mami Brenda. Ate twesanga nnyo nga travel nze ffenna, like we've been to countries together. Miss Uganda nga yakatandika Mami Brenda yampa nga sinabafuna luyimba lwakati paka kati nyimba ku Miss Uganda. Ndowooza yokajja esayimbyeko yeeno ndalize basiriwo something, but era invited ja Mami. Words of encouragement I have from people in the industry. Ndowooza singer, you're one of those people who always encourages me. Lydia katwana kulaboti. Lydia, you have this, you have. Ndowooza nsinga n'okwemanya. And I really thank you for that. Webale, and I promise you I'll make you proud. Wali wetwogera tujja tuukaawo. I know that abantu abangi bakimanyi ekya management kyogeddeko kankiitingeko katonoze. People know that's one of the issues, and honestly buli gundi ze muwulidde, I'm not that bad person. You'll know nti abantu abakoze nange era waliwo reasons ezaali beyond what? Measurable. You know? Era but I would love to thank them. Balinga babiri. Balina we banzira ne bantuusa we bantuusa. And I thank God that I'm still standing. Mami, thank you very much. Mukama, nga nkwatiddeko olumala concert, njagala nnoonye team. Era kyendiko njagala manager ntekamu ssente nga kubanga nze nkimanyi nange kye nsobola okukola. Kyoyogerako nkimanyi, it's just the money, the management that I have friends, you people I talk to. Don't just ajja mu inbox yange. That's how big it is. Yangamba ne Lydia, why don't Ugandan artists travel? Like you guys, lwaki temujjaako eno? Mufunayo wiki bbiri ssatu babamanyi kyangu because baba gaggesi okwegamba ajja n'akyega in Serena n'abeera Uganda 2 weeks n'akola noli. You know those guys will give you conditions to work with them. You want to work with Tiwa Savage, ba Ira, sente nnyingi okusasula ka video akakola ki ne promotion, and you know for them it's worldwide, see just Nigeria oba wano. So you know boyina okwesiba ki naye tekiri nti tebatulaba era message nzirina wano era bakwano bange bangi bakisitani oba omale, all of them. So I'm just waiting for that time. Mukama bwana banpadde ekisa nenfuna omuntu asobola okunkolera ebintu ebyo. I know how far I can do, and very easily because I have every contact and I have the talent, and I promise you luliba lumu tujja kikola. I'll bring the BETs. I will. And I'll go to the Grammys. I will. Let me bring a chance that I will do it. Yes. Mami Irene uno nkuze mulaba chali wa chali star chayimba luliba lumu. Yes, thank you. I really appreciate you, Mommy. May God bless you. Thank you for always seeing me like your daughter. Come on. You see, Hannah, you've groomed girls. They're so beautiful, yet they're really based bulungi. Okute kugwanga manyi omuntu agira abakyala bagamba, you know, amami bono musanga mubawala nga mitwalo na mitwalo. Webali kwata ku girl child. Hannah is really beautiful as she is. Nayenga we momolaba Hannah. I called Hannah one time. Yes. And Hannah era nchimanyi abana mawide yabela bogerebe. So for us tuba tumanyi ekituufu, and we know, you know, tuba tumanyi ekiriwo, and that's why you see sometimes I never come out to explain or to, you know, everything. Kubanga feno tuba tukola ki. I really love you, Hannah. You're so beautiful and yet so also humble. Thank you for honoring. Thank you for leading the country. I wish you good luck in Miss Uganda. What is it? Miss World, sorry. I really wish you 9th March. Make us proud. We're behind you. Prima, Mama so you myake mikaba neze simanyi. Mama so ngazina bana kufuna hit. Paka kati banange kine kintu kibalage mukume mikwano. You never know what tomorrow holds. So senga twali bantu babi abantu abasinga bano bamanyide mami bene meka mingi nyo. So it's very rare in industry because you know people are here for the showbiz and for the kwegamba mubimanyi naye. I really appreciate you, Prima. You've always supported me from day one. Akaibaka just said they will go a single couple shinga. Nekadeta, you know. Thank you very much. I'm proud of you and everything. You're a very smart business lady. Like she said, yes, Jimo Jagala Tolimbi. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you so much. Vivian Tendo, Nakaiba Kumbagai. It was just a caller where she called me. I don't know why you chose me. Now I know. Vivian loves me. I did. Okay, now Vakumbaga Namanya Vivian and Jagaranyo, and you're so beautiful. You keep your color. You're so beautiful in your color. Please keep your colors and the melanin ambassador. You're pretty just the way you are. And you're so talented as well. I'm happy for you. Kamabawanga zeno mwami. And I wish this for you one day, and you're going to, all of you, but Pia, here it is. Time yakatonda bwebera. It happens. Oh my God. Bona. if I've missed out, Ava is so sweet, you guys. I've never said she's the sweetest girl. Yeah, they tell you we have to say sawa satu. We gave her a call. I'm actually, she said I'm humbled. She's so nice. Mama supporting it. She has beautiful music. You please support her. Bambi. She has a bright future. She's so pretty and she's so talented and hardworking. I've tried. I always save the best for last, Kati. Naso Seva hosts, I want to thank my LJ addicts. Thank you so much for always believing in me. Just the mama simanyi kurana. You know simanyi kurana H2 so kuninyako nenkuleka nenkwasa Katonda. So you guys fight the wars and I appreciate that. Muberanga abasasula tenga sibasasula mbasasulako. Abantu bateka mutimu zaabwe sente. Banenze sizirina nyezo. But those guys basolo kutta. Bye. Tebasola jawani. LJ addicts. I love you. Now let me take the opportunity to thank the sponsors. The sponsors, everybody at Zeku board for me. For the first time, no tekamu obwesigwa, no supporting, no zikiririzam. I don't know if I can mention all of them. Sky Pins, MTN, Euroform, Radiant, My Day One Family, you know, Codebase, Sprite, Banange, all the televisions, BBS Telefina, Sanyuka, Bukede, the radio stations, Galaxy TV, Capitol, Mulibanji. I really appreciate you for trusting me this time, and I promise you, chasing is even what I'm going, like, I want to outdo myself. I want to do, me, that's my own worry, by the way, ma'am. Njagala abantu nga bwe banjagadde bwe bati ne bannetekamu obwesigwa nkole ekyo ekigwa mu kye basuubira, and I am going to do my best, I promise. Thank you. The media. Nange mbadde ntudola media nje wait. Banange mwebalemba mikwano. By the way, bakyogedde without the media, some artists don't know. We are supposed to make these people our friends. Kubanga with the music, be batweyongerayo mileage eyo, you know, to be heard out there. So I try my best. I'm not perfect, but I try. When bansanze gwemanyi UG All Star twesanga ddala myaka nga nkigatwa katandika TNS. You know, banji ba Ibra mwena mbiti bamesola bamenya nemba malayo muli banji naye. Just know that Lydia Jazmine, with the media, I really appreciate you guys. I don't take you guys for granted. Thank you for honoring this invite. Nemubeerawo leero. Kati nenda kusembyayo, before I say out about the show, nenda kusembyayo mbanyumize ka story. Hajjasin mumulabo oyo. Nze muyita the baddest promoter, right? The baddest promoter mu Africa n'emirirano. This person believed in me. Mumanyi story je nabagamba nti waliwo omuntu ayagala okumbukinga ne bamugamba Lydia. Lydia, oli yamugamba Lydia Sekat. I think that time when nakwera kapesa, and after, is it after COVID? Immediately after COVID or before COVID? Naye that shows you katinti mami omwami yajjanga tewali yamukubira, yayita meeting ne manager nalina namugamba njagala tegeka Lydia nga teyebuza nga talina kyamusabe talina septanaki oli namugamba Lydia tannabatuuka muleke. Kati nze omwami oyo yakwena ngamba sabimanya that time nakabimanya kati bwe mu meetings at this time okujja on board. So nze yangamba sirabangako muntu ataninga offer eya promoters okutegeka omuntu kubanga we yandwadde Freedom City kalinga abalala bazikuba n'obuyimba kayimba kamu, you know. So nangamba sirangako manager ko promoter nga yagenda oteka buli kimu. Nangamba naye tofaayo. This time we musanze we namanya ebintu ebyo, by the way sabimanya tetumanyanga bintu ebyo wobeera management. There's so many things you don't know. And to make it proper with the management, I've never had any issues or kugoba any manager. Nti nkugobye nkoze hit genda nti oba okoze otya. Banayemba kwire ba manager abakwata abayimbi bulungi professional. basamu ekitiibwa mwebale si kyangu naddala ffe abaana abawala bafaanana bwetu si kyangu mami ng'ate musajja mbeebaza era mbateekamu ekitiibwa buli alina promota omusajja ng'ali professional and I mean professional ng'akola emirimu ng'ateekamu mukama alimpayo omu bw'atyo nange lumu and after the concert nkiriko nnyo because ngenda kuta album bagita the one and only and it can go if I listen to it I get chills nange nze kennyini I start even worrying how I'm going to release it. So I hope one day I can get some. When so no time I have the most beautiful album that people will listen to this year. Anyways, now today about I'm not forgetting anything. It's too much. Thank you to the Vanovatimba birthdays and Simply Cocktails. Thank you. This is so beautiful. So on about my concert. Firstborn, it's my very first concert. I don't know how to really explain the feeling. It's mixed. It's excitement. I tell it's scary. I tell it's mixed feelings. You all understand that. But I want to promise everyone on first match again okuja. By the way, setting agenda chukam we won't disclose that. We have a lot of things we are going to do different, and you'll love it and you'll enjoy it. Just njagala basaba mujje banaye mwena abaliyo mugule table abayimbi mbasaba mugule table mujje mutuule ngabaze kuya saha twali ku table kuya institute ofuna table. I always do that. Kuya fiki kuya zizi. So me I love to I believe the way you can support an artist more is buying a table than coming and fighting backstage to perform. When you're going to perform baba bagenda era buli agenda oyimba tugenda mukubira simu. You know, so if not that, I love to sit and watch the artist shine. I've always done that and I enjoy it. Gundi abadde ngamba karo wali mu parking nti abadde kuyafiki bwato nga bali ku table ne banyumirwa nga bazina banyumirwa, you know. It's beautiful to watch, right? Mbasaba batanagula mo supporting abayimbi and I promise I always do. Okay, and ordinary tickets mwena abaliyo mitwalo 2.5 million besonze. I don't want to say what I'll just come and see what I'm going to do because it's the first concert. I want to do my best and I'm going to do my best. So about my journey I had forgotten natandika okuyimba briefly banzijukiza wano because that would be wrong if I don't talk about it. Najja mu 20 yali end of 2013 katimbala 2014 natandika akayimba nakata mu December 2013 aka you know I need you akarabadaba mukajukira you know I'm all for you era rabadaba bwaba lwakuba kati ali Bulaya nandibadde njagala ajje tukayimbe so because it's my baby. So nalimu second year campus. Second year campus ku Multitech wali business school, but I didn't give up on school. Nabeerayo nekakwata netandikobera ebizibu. You know how you have a hit song ate nga oli kusomero nga sibi yangu naye nengamba because my mom yangamba byonna bikole naye njagala mwana musoko okole ekyo graduating and I did in 2015 with a bachelor's in business administration and management. And I got a first degree. So tuli bayimbi naye okusoma tukwagala obanga oli muyimbi muteeyo soma okuyimba kubeerawo tekuvaawo soma kikuyamba kubanga okuyimba tekumala olina okwongerako ebirala awo maaso awo. So bwe najja nenzijaawo semwe nenzija nkubanja. I was a backup artist of Radio and Weasel when I was in campus. That is how I met my first manager. Nakwatakawo netujja I think bali bayokanye ne Radio and Weasel netutandika TNS eyo olaba obufaananyi obukadde. You see me Shiba Palaso omugenzi Eke Saha Bakri. So that was the journey. Netugenda bimanya ebya group netujja tetwakyawukana bubi just twagamba katwetongoze feka netwetongoza around 2016. Unetujja 2016 when again I'm Coke Studio. I was number 3 by the way guys in Coke Studio. I think that's how I got many contacts that I have. I thank my manager for that. That was actually is one of the biggest stages I've had. Sijja kubeera ungrateful, no. I really appreciate that and he did a lot. So nenzija manager Mroni Mulindwa nankwatako. We had a contract twayawukana bibannani nga bemubiyogera contract ya 3 years. Na again ayina byakola ebirala bingi, you know, and you know with the journey si byangu ebyabawala ebyaffe sente kasente biki bambi ateye yali mulungi temusana kigambo kyonna. He's one of those people who are very professional and nice. Paka kati nina team LJ right now nasalawo nengamba si addicts team LJ music Lydia Jazmine music bano baroni bakabendera aziz nina team nene nina aba IT managers I'm trying to create a team mami. Actually that's how we deal with the team and it's really amazing. Bakola, they're really nice and they're very professional. Bebazanyo bakabendera, they don't sleep abo baroni. God bless you. So up to now tuliawo team Lydia Jazmine, I mean LJ manager LJ music. So olugendo paka kati rero, but I want to say one thing. Mama wange we yali ankuza yangamba jasembyayo kino ebintu bisatu. Yangamba asitisete ejjusa. Mama wange era bw'aba alaba asitisete ejjusa akwata empola atuuka wala bugusimuliro. Ebintu bisatu ebyankuza ebyo ndoza kyekyo lwaki maybe abantu balaba kumpisa ze nina oba kuki. I really thank my mother and my parents. Twakula ebintu era mama wange buli kaseera nekati nti ndi mukulu nkubira n'akingamba nangamba walaba amawulire nga mwana wange asitise takola ki. You will never see me answer anybody regardless, and I've always had answers and you'll be surprised when you hear some things, man. Propaganda nini mweno industry, but I thank God I've tried. It's not easy to control yourself, chizivu, but I try with people, with the guidance of everybody in my life. Thank you. The foundation of my parents. Mukama, I came from church. I used to sing in church. Naimba ko mu watoto. Naleta ebikopo by'essomero lyange buli wamu mbadde muyimbi. Naimba ko mu bandi nga sinaimba buno bw'okuyikuba gitae. Noyimbira abazungu ku Serena wanji. So Mukama, I believe in God. Olunaku nga lumu machi ndukwasa Katonda, and I know we are going to make it, and I'm ready. Thank you. Thank you. Nabagambi bane munansonyiwa. I am not a person. I am not good because you know what? Some of those people are their own brands at some point, and bagamba omuntu bwakubisomyo nawe tusasuza muliro. Kati omuliro gunazikiza omuliro. Okitegeera kati nze decide. Trust me, when I meet my girls, they know. I tell them they don't think. And era ne bwenkyogera bwekyo nesimenya saagala menya abantu balina ebintu bye bakola. Okitegeera ne mugamba ono bakiri oba kiri. Nze I chose to take the blame and it's okay. Okitegeera I chose, maybe Lydia tamanagingika oba muzibu oba ali biki. It is okay. Abamanyi obalabye bamanyi ate nze neemanyi kyekisinga obukulu ne Katonda. Saagala ntandike kulwana n'abantu ku media singa banaina lwana ddate sisobola. So tubaleke mu biti byabwe, but I already advise the young artists bakimanyi abawala temukimanyi wamapia. Yes, they know. N'abadde yabajja, please get calm. When you have talent, top up. Labira kunze tokapa ono akusabira no manager gundi yango okyaleko nogenda I mean bas bamanyi. I saw someone saying babansabye okujja ewaka, you know, nga ina promoter amukolera oba DJ oba I don't know, that's the word. So if you anyway, when you're here for the business. Okay, wait. Kale, go ahead.
Lydia, ekisooka njagala kwebaza okubanga okoze music omulungi inspirize ba artist abalala. Esaawa we twogerera abakyala bakwenyumiririza because of the good voice, figure, dress codes.
Aba yiri amuyimbi yenna nga nzira mu questionnaire naye. I'll tell you one thing. I'll give you one answer and egenda ku wela byonna sijja bidda mugenda ku answer. abayimbi bonna right now abaliwo abasinga bemanyi mikwano gyange, and that's it. I am not dating in the industry.
Okay.
Are you serious?
LJ, my name is
Press conference, I have to answer every question.
Yeah.
Abanamawulire mwenna abali wano, buli muntu ali wano, nakyogera okuva ku ntobo y'omutima gwange. I have never had any issues with anybody, especially the one you said.
Who?
Inti. Nga bwe nabanyonyodde nti propaganda mu industry mungi, and reasons why I don't explain myself bye bino nga bw'obiraba nti balina families, I respect people, okitegeera abantu balina brands nga bwe nagambye, sagala pikinganga ku bantu ate malenjo male, you know. I love every artist. I love them. I support them. Never seen a meeting. I've never had any issues with anybody. And I wish Rema in a concert. I wish her the best. Support her. Ngabiri musatu. Mumale ngalumu mujje ku Africana. Ku Sheraton, that is 23rd. Ngalumu mujje ku Africana. We have enough space. We have enough love. We have enough people. Fans banji. They love us. And you oja kwesanga nga abantu bonna abasinga ave wono yadde wasaha yagende walutalo yadde wa Jazmine. Yoloza baba bashuka. So I wish Rema the very best. If I had no concert, I would have attended her show. Rakubanti nina concert, I cannot attend. You know?
Media, but then so ekibuzo maybe bwakiddamu.
And he's very right. Right now, nina ne concert bwegwa njaga tugenda kola extras in like 2 hours. Nja kuddamu ekibuzo kyo kino nti, like I said earlier, I think God's timing is always the best. I cannot also know. Sijagamba nti bayagala bali banjagala batwala mu studio, so bali baagala nkole ki? Bali bakyagala. Maybe tezamala, teyayina zikola ki? And now, remember tenali ntandika butandisi. I only had like a few songs then. Kati right now, honestly, I have many songs. I'm booked almost every week. Naye temwerabira nti abayimbi tuba ne responsibilities, you people. Personally, I take care of my family. Personally. Kati I'll tell you that. Not my mother, not my dad, not my siblings. And then also their kids, most of them. Bana bange, banaira mubalabye, temubalaba wange. Aba following up. I have my nieces, my nephews. And guess what? I'm happy doing that. I cannot be nga nsobola okuleta ka physical term ne sitakaleta ndeke mwana wa muganda wange aleme kusoma oba maama aleme kunywa ku mata okitegeera. This is now kati nze maama mwe muba mulaba abayimbi ne mulowooza balina ssente naye makwano ebiri emabiga. I have an adopted daughter. Nze siri muntu wa kamera bingi bye mutamanyiiko. I have adopted daughters that I take care of kuva ku scratch nabajja mu orphanage. I just don't put them in the news. Mwamulabako Lumundo za Maria Mati. The day namufuna nga ka baby kaine ebiri nyingi ziri bwezi. She's so pretty, she's so beautiful. And music videos abayimbi basobola okuddamu ekintu ekyo. You people, music is expensive. Temumanyi osobola obeera booked. Naye nga kati nganze kyenabaganye nti netaaga nina team, yes, naye era nze kyenkoze kyenkola kyenzizaamu tiimu si yeteekamu ssente ate nga ate bo be bali ku payroll balinda omusaala. Okitegedde ekintu ekyo. So you people bingi kakati awo omuntu waliyo aba Nigeria balina n'abatanzania bakikola kati. Actually Rwanda ekikola kati balina abantu mu state, balina abantu abatandisa funding abayimbi. I've seen Rwanda, I've seen President Kagame, you guys. Nga akutte ku Bruce Melody yasinga kati Rwanda. Do you know why? Bamutaddemu ssente, ayina olimba ne Shaggy from Gab. You think kati nawe ngamba talina nnyimba tabeera booked? now you see waliwo bintu bingi factors guy bamukuteko inablo already oyo guy kati wakabi bamumanyina okusinga naye nga juzi ono Rwanda industry ebadde wet ati nimiyimbi oli produce naye kati batuli bati in Nigeria Magufuli bwe yafaya Magufuli Tanzania yali ateeka sente mbayimbi. I'm not saying president should don't quote me wrong. I'm telling you nti wali abantu mu state wali abantu abagaga bena sente nga so ate munange bw'oteekamu ofuna kubanga nze n'omala onteekamu oba n'oteekamu pia n'okwata Karono n'omugaya n'omugaya agenda okola oluyimba ne Chris Brown but Davido it's possible they are doing it because of what and you know how much money they are bringing in the country omanyi tourism werinnya nayo omanyi nti Nigeria katoina n'Abamerika babakola bati kati why bamanya trick eyo balina abagagga I know guys I follow look at don't just you think it in nochi mugagga ateekamu alina abayimbi bameka baakoze naye omanyi obugagga bwaliko afuna so people forget music is a business. I wish we have people who know that music is a business tikwenteekamu eyo Lydia na blowing anagenda nayimba wali eline ku ofuna na $1 million tugenda bali mu shillings but okwekotogera okwo honestly abayimbi tebazina sakati tebajja bagamba and that's the fact. We need extra support.
Okay. Kale, when are you going to take in more 3 questions?
There was no value for money. And abantu abajja mu show, yes, I'm phrasing my question. Nti baba mu kivulu nga bagenda bayomba. Because bana abayimbi bonna abasigadde boogamba nti bazze kuwerekerako. Tuba tuzze tubalaba ku show zaabwe. So tuba tusuubira okufuna ekyo kye twagala okuva mu Jazmine. Enteekateeka iyo eyimiridde etya okulaba nti ku mulundi guno kino ekizze kibeerawo tetuddamu ki experiencing because omuntu yeetaaga alaba music okuva giwava eri wansi yonna gyozooyimba kuzisemwe zaani paka wano wootuuse okitegeera aveewo ng'agamba nti omuyimbi ayimba nti ebiseera ebisinga mugamba nti abamamu tukubye naye tuvaawo nga nange tugamba nti omuyimbi yakoze tetuyita average performance oba performance yabadde very weak naye nga kivudde nti otuuka n'ekiseera nga music ogw'oyina oyimbako just line 2 oba chorus osobola okugenda ku luyimba olulala nga wakoze rehearsal nyingi naye nga toyina budde bugenda kumalayo music gwe weeteeseteese otyo okulaba nga ku mulundi guno tetugenda kubeera mu kisho nga tetufunye value for money because mwe mulowooza nti bana abakuwerekeddeko betuzola basine tuba tuzola era ne bwe baba tebayimbye gwe n'oyimba betusigala tunyumiddwa endongo.
Thank you so much Wako. Ono kayogere question ye jakujjukiza. So next we close off, you answer.
Okay, Jazmine, thank you for looking nice.
Radio is my favorite artist. Gone or around is my favorite artist. Secondly, I was very lucky. Omuntu gwe nayagala ennyo okuvanga bwe natandika omulaba. Trust me, I think natandika owuliza nali mu high school. Radio nampa chance eyokubeera backup artist. You people, do you know ng'oweegomba omuntu tolina kayimba nankamu actually ka story kaliwe kati waliwo yajja nandaba nga nkuba I'm gonna make it brief nga anyimba ku some hotel where Serena yeyantwala nangamba this girl is good, she can, you know, nebanga omulala bamuyita Emma Dragu omulala bamuyita Martha yagenda Bulaaya yafumbirwa eyayimba ne Mickey Wine wona mwana that girl twali basatu to make it clear era bogenda mu videos enkaddo jatulaba me and that girl era njagala busenga sofuna clip obwo ne mubulabako yampa chance. I love radio. I'm definitely doing something special on the concert. You're still a question. Masuka nkubanja gochanga omuliro radio songs, you know. That was the question, right?
Value for money.
The value for money. I want to make it very clear, and I promise all my fans abagenda okujjanga lumu match. All of them. Ojukira bwe nabadde njogera nagambye this time tukyusizaamu ebintu sakyogedde ne mbagamba nendegera n'abayimbi okukola ki eyawulidde ogula table sibe nayogedde mami balina ne table of course the mami ajja kunywa. You people, I don't want to tell you naye kyenjagala ogamba ngenda ku stage sawa 2. It's my first concert bagiyita first born. Yes, also first born nina okushowcasinga me. I know that very well and I appreciate that question. Unlike era bana ebya concert n'abayimbi temubanenya nnyo bannange ebintu ya concert ebyo si byangu nze mbera backstage mbiraba naye I promise you maximum security byange bigenda kuba bya mwali kunkuka mwalaba we baleeta aba red top ne babeera nga bebatwala ku stage kakati if it means me doing that for me to have a very organized stage I will do that and for me to come on time and showcase. I think, I mean, I don't even, you need no introduction. Abayimbi balese style gye yaleeta nzijukira wajja ne fiki band man onokai wakabi and he's always been humble. This is another humble producer we have in Uganda. But producer mroza sikoze nabangi mubalabye naye abasinga twabayise kikulaga ati nkyali ate wakabi wakabi abayimbi be ati ntayetaga program nze ati nati tukola ati banga waliwo abasama abajja. I am super excited. I don't know nze kati ekindi ku mutima kiri kimu to deliver kati ze kambabudde manya abanyaganda bagenda ku supporting. I'm not even worried about that. I am worried about what I'm going to give them.